Hello everyone, my name's Benjamin and I'm here from Stockhours again with another video here on a live trade that I did. I'm going to go over why I took the trade, what I was looking at, and how I exited, and I'll be able to replay the trade so we can live see it. We can see level 2, we can see times in sales, we can see my live fills and all that. So first off, the trade was on NVDA. This is the 4-hour chart right here. And you see, first thing that I notice on this chart is this downtrend right here. And then we also, we've been falling and we started recovering here. And on this day, we rejected right off 300. And I know 300 is like a psychological number for NVIDIA. And so when we had the strength pre-market and we pushed off the open, I ended up taking a position at the 300 level. And I think I sold on the 301 break, but my target that I had planned out was to sell on the 303 break, which you can see we clearly pushed all the way up to my next resistance to 310. I'm just going to put this on the 1-hour chart so you can get a little bit better picture of this downtrend. So this orange arrow was my entry here, right here. You can see we pushed all the way up. So it's super smooth, super clean play. Honestly, I wish I let this one ride a little bit. I really like this play. You can see we pushed right into the trend line and broke through. Alright, so I'm going to switch to the video here. Okay, so I know it looks like a lot going on, but so over here, this is going to be the stock chart. This is times in sales. This is level 2 for it. You can see we have Amazon pulled up right here. Above this, we have the contract, the level 2 contract, the option chain, I'm sorry. And then down here we have this is where my fills are going to be. This is a contract chart, so you can see how the contracts are moving. I like to keep that on my screen. And then we have NQ up here. So this is the NASDAQ. So I can watch this with the underlying, and you can get to see that live in the video as well. And then we have the order entry window. This is where I click the buttons to buy and sell. And then we have a level 2 for the contracts as well down here, so we can see how the contracts are moving. So I'm going to fast forward here a little bit. And you can see I was watching Amazon off the open here. Let's see. Okay, so let's see. I end up switching to NVIDIA here. You see we had this nice push off the open on the video. We pushed all the way to 298.80, and then we came back, consolidated. I honestly should have took a starter position there. That would have been an amazing starter position into that 299 level to get the momentum up to 300. So that would have been an amazing starter entry, and I wish I took that. This red line that I put on the chart is just something I've been trying out recently. I put my stop loss visible on the chart so I can see it at all times, so I don't forget it, and so I know if I'm avoiding my stop loss or not, if that makes sense. So ever since I put it there live on the chart, it's helped me. So you can see here I'm selecting my contracts here. Since we're playing the 300 break, I'm pretty sure I picked the 300 calls, and then I'm gonna adjust my position size and all that. And so what we're going to be looking for here is going to be level 2. So let's watch it here. And I think I wait for 299.80, 299.90 to get in. They get in a couple cents before the break. So I think I take a position on this new high, if I remember. I'm not too sure. We'll have to see. Alright, so pushing here, we can see the wall here on level 2. Actually, we can't because I have it cut off. I need to fix that. But there was a 300 wall right here on level 2. And you can see we're starting to push up. So that was me scrolling down on the level 2 and looking at that. So you can see we're pushing here. I'm getting ready to get in. I see, let me go back. So I saw 299.90 on the ask. I pulled the trigger, I got in, I took my position. So you can see my fill price right here is 675. You can see it down here as well. And then you can see my P&L here and here. So here I'm just waiting for 300 to break. You can see I'm break even. And then you can see we're right here, getting close. I'm just getting ready to sell here. And then we break, it's pushing, so I wait for 301. Boom. And it was just that quick, which is insane. And you can see the contract chart here. These contracts went from around 675, which was my entry, all the way to 765. So I really lack the patience in this trade, and it's honestly been a problem that I've been having recently, with just being like, I've been good about being patient, waiting for the trades to come to me, but I've been struggling with letting the trade play out and whatnot once I'm in the trade, like and not forcing my exit on the trade. So you can see we continuously push up here. These contracts are at $8 now, so I missed out on a decent chunk. And see here we're right at 302. This candle red to green right into the 302 break, super clean. That should have been my sell, honestly, or I should have stayed patient for the 303 break. And I don't know if I keep this on this here. See, there we go. 302 just broke. Contracts are at 850 now. So really, I just needed the patience, and I never even would have went red, even close to red on this trade. So I really just needed to stick to my target of 303, and I would have seriously paid off here. And you can see I have my stop loss planned at 299.50. We never even get close to that. And I think here I started playing Tesla. Let me see. Yeah, I switch off of it. But we end up breaking 303 after that new high, and it was super clean. So these contracts are at 850 now. You can see I missed out on a lot there, but it's all good. That's something I really like about live recording my trades. I can go back and rewatch the videos and see exactly what I did right and wrong. But this is a good example of being patient, waiting for the trade to develop, and then taking advantage of it when it happens. So I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Like and follow. Thank you guys.